I think you should lower the camera a little. There you go. No, no, no. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, for those who don't know, this is the man, I think along with others, that created one of the most notorious and one of the most notorious sound system killers that Canada's ever seen. Super fresh. This is Double Six. How you doing, Double Six?
Good, man. You don't know, just give thanks to life, every day,
Yeah, yes, sir. So
Super Fresh still going.
Super Fresh is still going. It's still kicking up a storm. So Double Six, here's, I'm hoping your crew is close by or they're near Prophet and the other selectors and stuff like that. I'm hoping. You know, let's get right into it, brother. From the last 72 hours have been absolutely crazy and mucky with the airwaves of Super Fresh's name in the streets and around the globe, from Montreal to Toronto to America.
Yeah, man.
What is your take on what went down Wednesday night?
Wednesday night? Oh, well, you know what? Everybody's still going on. I still, to me, I never really make so much a big deal about that, because you know. Lickerton know what it is. Lickerton know what time it is. You understand? Where whatever happen, the world see it. Big man, we've been in this thing a long time, and we do our thing or we do our thing. You understand? So if we talk to you upon an agreement, and I think adjust so we expect it to go. It don't work out how it's supposed to go. So you see what we do, we just take ourselves on a situation.
Well, can we clarify? Can we clarify and state there was an agreement? What can we understand the terms of that agreement?
Well, I just see, we have all even our platforms where we work, man, You see, as you say, I love Sound Clash, right? Profit are doing things too. So, as people reach out to you, we can have sound on our thing too. You see,
right?
Showcase to a King Turbo, starting from scratch. You see what we are doing. Simple. So if Lickerton reach out and them have a show going on, hey, maybe at some point we can use them on our platform too.
Okay.
So man to man, I don't know, them reach out and say ask you out for them platform. Give them a strength.
Okay.
So we don't expect for other. Moreover, we state that it is no clash thing, because as you see, we just should have feature some song, just play some song.
Okay.
And what we see it change. So we just take ourselves on it.
Okay. So the agreement was you were supposed to come on the platform, feature Super Fresh. Feature
analog sound. You were supposed to step on this program,
yes. Yes.
Where you wouldn't have a problem playing some music. It wouldn't be any problem. Analog play. Super Fresh time to play about 5 songs in. Things change.
So the platform states anything goes. Now I don't know what they mean by that, but I mean, hence tell people think that it's anything that can happen on this platform can happen. But Prophet has stated that when I was listening that this is not what we agreed to, and that meant that you had talked, Prophet and whoever and a Little Thunder representative had discussed how Super Fresh is supposed to be represented on the platform, and that was, according to what the theory is, violated. Correct?
Yeah. Simple.
Okay. All right. So now what happens is there's a heated argument between your selectors and the other sound. And it gets a little bit overwhelmed and out of hand. I'm sure you, the owner of the sound, the man who set the sound, got heard what took place. Do you feel your selectors did the right thing by not entertaining the clash?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Simple, yeah.
All right. Now, you know, we're gonna get into
Remember, we have it's simple. We go back to the simple effect that we have a agreement. We are not doing
the
no
clash.
we are doing on there.
Okay.
We just right. So we're not gonna go beyond that.
Okay. All right. So, you know, do you find that there's personal feelings being held in this situation that's going on between your sound and the other sound?
Well, if you have if personal feelings are happening on one side, not our side, we don't have a problem.
Okay. Okay. All right. I mean, Super Fresh is a world power song. We know this. I think it's best to let the people know how it came to be about as the Canada Defenders.
Yeah, well, you know what, you know what, now let's clear, since we're on a topic here, we're just asking about that thing, let's just clear up, tell me know exactly, you know, we know exactly where the people them like it, but I can't tell you, there's a simple effect, him have a problem with a selector from the song, on our song.
Okay.
A young youth, that's the problem.
Okay.
You know, and you as you can say, you have some allegations where in part some really serious allegation about the youth.
Yes.
Right? And we address him and make him know. Him call we when he hears of this youth. We don't even know the youth.
Okay.
Right? We don't even know the youth, but here we can work with the youth. I'm sorry, I'm see him. See what? Because we don't fight youth. Right? We give him a chance. Him call, when him realize that, him call and me say, I tell we about the things them about the youth. So at first me I say, well, if them things are going well, can and I might think that. But at the same time, him come back now and him say him have proof, video proof of the man admitting to it. So Mr. Him say more, if send me something and me look and when we realize me he say nah really. So nothing with me. So it don't make no sense to me. You get what me say. So
okay. Yeah.
We still relax and you know, watch what go on. But then him come back with something say while that one now is like said some him have a lifetime contract with the youth to play. The youth can't play no song. Have a lifetime contract with him and all this only for some. It's like a thing I change every you understand. So
okay.
Basically then him say all these great allegations we can mash up a man's life, you know, me at all. You never have to get into it. You hear the things them where him state. I don't really have time for the foolishness, brother. You talk some things that can mash up a man's life.
Right.
At the same time, when we hear what the thing is now, it now me realize the thing now add up because even the youth there Jamaica, youth are playing song 2018. As me get me understand, me I look on the story now. And the youth, you know them Guinness Clash are them one of them something they were in and them play them all as me look on them beat up all the youth. Beat up the youth. And the youth him carry the youth of Jamaica. Him carry the youth of Jamaica. The youth they are fee place and him come with these allegations about a young child, who is me a big man, me have kids, you have kids, all of we have kids. if them something they are going a serious thing them.
Yes.
They end up that him end up now that sense you hear him say the youth in some situation couldn't come back and him come up. But you have these allegations and you leave the youth in the house with the same kid, the kid mother, the kid grandmother, and him live there for your next, what, 2 months or whatever till you turn around and end up now. Use your credit card to pay $5,000 to bring back a man like that here. Wiz, I can show you. Flyer upon him page right now. Because I clear that issue and don't make people to me. 2019. Flyer upon him film page where him up. With the youth a play him sound. And this is from 2008. So you see the allegations that them women talk about, it don't make no sense to me. When he reach where him all one at a time, if we pay him some money, everything good enough. So how comes you go put aside them allegations the way you talk about? You get what we're not going to oblige to them kind of something. Yeah? So the smear campaign go back on now. When we want to destroy the youth career with them foolishness, they like when I make no sense. Because no natural somebody can have somebody a trouble a kid. Your niece and that man live with you and come back here. Him have all the youth here so lock up in him house when the youth come. I run the youth have to run. You hear him say youth live in a man. I run the youth have to run around him. Run about the youth. I'm with me know the youth, but guess what we do? Still say me go help the youth. And one thing never say I'm finish this. Finish half of that stuff.
Yeah.
Him say help the youth to come back. Money where him spend. We personally decide if we are work with the youth, you know what? We're going to help you. We organize the talk to him. Him call we and we are going to look to say we are going to even absorb the debt and deal with it for you. 1 minute when we do income back, you know what I'm saying? If we don't believe him, just go suck with us. So we're supposed to just believe what he said. We shouldn't bother even dispute it, trying to tell we are sorry for. So, you know, as we say, I just saw that little, as we say, little foolishness where, you understand, we don't have time for them someday. So we just want to get that out of the way and we can move back on to.
Yeah.
So everything what people do, they can strum it up out of that and take way. If me make sense to want to store me at that.
Right.
It's clear, so, the flyer them is there. 2019, the man still are playing so. And all these things that we matter about that Jamaica from 2008. So what sense? What you're talking about, they accuse the youth of them dirty something there. Just live your life, man. One thing we can say is, I mean, I'll get past that. That youth have a passion for business. Can't deny that. Him have a passion. But it's simple as Mr. Me finish it. All him have to do, there's a right way and a wrong way to do things. Just do it the right way and humble. It's simple. You understand?
Simple. Let's move on from that. And simple. So let's move on. Let's talk about Super Fresh Sound. You know, when I met you, don't take this the wrong way. No disrespect, of course, because we all had to start somewhere. When I met you, House of Lords, you had a one box with just some 45s in it. Coming to the dance, tried it to the dance. You see what I'm saying?
I just say that quick. You see, that's why sometimes in a dispute, when people say how long you sound out and things, sometimes it just come from where them start here we are playing dub play. You understand? Because if you do that, sometimes people dispute or lie or tell. So man, bother with them. But you know where it up.
Yeah, I was there. I watched it. I saw it happen. I was watching it, right? And I never, you know, when I saw you and we played at some dances, some House of Lords barbecue, I never knew that, you know, you had it in you to grow to this empire of a massive, well respected sound killer over, you know, over the course of the years and those things. I remember House of Lords. I remember you coming in. I remember, you know, you were having that little box of 45s, but somebody told me something that I never knew. And I always wanted to ask you, were you used to be a part of Black Supreme Sound?
Yeah, man.
Oh, see, I didn't know. So maybe you could tell us from where it all started and how the Super Fresh name came about and what started it all. Maybe if you could, you know, take us back to.
All right. You know, I is from Portland, Jamaica.
Okay.
So even the name Super Fresh now. When I come to Canada, we bring 145. 145.
145.
45. Right? And you know, Super Fresh is a stone from my area. My
Right.
area stone. So when I start like buy records here now and we start with little basement stuff them and thing, me just use my area stone name. It wasn't a stone where Louis Culture can tell you about that stone because Louis Culture my grower.
Okay.
Yeah. So we know that stone. And any dub them have a Louis Culture cut there.
Okay.
That's how it go. And at the so we just continue the name.
Right.
Them stop that a week, take that and continue the name. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
The reason told them if me for count Super Fresh, me can start from the
80s. Wow.
Why bother to go that far? You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Keep it here, you know.
Yeah. Yo, has Super Fresh has been involved in some of the most notorious sound talks, good and bad.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, have one without the other. Right.
and I mean, listen, I don't take this as me, you know, trying to disrespect or violate. It's just what it is. It's been taken, just like myself. It's been taken good and bad. Over the years, you've clashed some of the greatest sounds. What is going on from Super Fresh? What is the difference of Super Fresh back in the 90s, early 2000s to the Super Fresh now? What is the major difference of the sound?
Growth, experience. You understand? We in our place, so we like a position where we in. You understand? We have a goal we are focused on. It's not like understand it, the change from where people look on a rugged. You know where it come from. You understand? So
yeah,
me like what.
So you have this title. Where did it come from? As Canada's Defender. Where did that start? I didn't know about all that, so I have to ask.
Well, you know what? Simply, you know, Will, where do I live?
Canada.
So can I play and defend America?
No.
Can I defend Jamaica? Right? You always hear the Jamaica sound, and the Canadian sound, the US sound, England sound. Right? And one place I'm kind of pull up on is Europe, the Europe sound, but it's still Germany. It's simple.
Okay.
Japan sound, some of the Far East roller. Hey, you want to say we are Canada. So if you are defending Canada, so it's a sound from any sound from Canada we are play against a sound from which country are defend?
Defending Canada. So hold on, oh your thing's freezing up a little bit here.
They'll freeze up. Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but we can't see you as clearly. Just the Wi-Fi. Yeah, just the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Yeah, but you want to always that yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
That slogan still, I'm glad you asked me to, you know, because that slogan, I feel why you asked, because I realize it hurt people's feelings also, you know? Like, and I don't understand why. It's like them, you say it and it's the crab in a barrel mentality, you understand? But me not have time for them something they will. The problem is we don't understand. Them say we is a old art, even some of the younger sounds, and them say we is a old sound. We no win no clash from wherever them say. You hear all these words, them so we know this. Yeah. But yet still look at it. Them big up some other sound like you hear them big up Rootsman. Rootsman is a very good sound and one of my favorite Canadian sound though.
Bad sound. Bad.
King Klepto. There's many other sounds out there. But guess what? Why it this is not like I understand. Why what's about we? The sound when I win nothing, when I win no clash, when I do what you understand, we're all dinosaur, this, that, so what are them a problem? Them you have a problem with. But you the other sound and where you rate where I win now, you know how to kill them.
Well, I think it goes to this, Father Six. It goes to this, like, the reality is there's been world clashes, there's been rumbles, there's been this, that the people see. Super Fresh hasn't been or acceded into winning those. As if you have, then I humbly apologize.
No.
So
we never been in a world clash.
So when you look at it,
Rumble, we win the last Rumble and we never make it to the final.
All right. So when you look at it, when you look at it, there people are questioning the title of Canada's defender, because you have other sounds who are out there.
Yeah, I have no problem with that, you know, because hey, you hear them always say them America never win the Vietnam War, but I want a title, America. Yeah, you understand. So yeah, a title now. When a man win at it, I have a problem with the trophies of the man have. I'm happy for the trophies where them can celebrate and know say.
Yeah.
You know that are the achievement, but everybody deal with them things in a different way. If me can survive 30 years at this and still be relevant for my name I call amongst the young great, or we have the ability to be great, then we must have do something right then. That means the title, without the title it not hurt.
Without the title it's not hurting you.
Simple as that.
And I want to ask you, outside looking in, are you comfortable with the name and the slogan that has been bestowed upon Super Fresh Sound as Canada's defender? Do you believe that you live up to that and that name should be respected and coincide with Super Fresh Sound?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
definitely.
We might lose a lot of that, yes, but guess what? Look at the caliber sounds that we have played again. If you talk about some top sounds from Canada, we say they can think or root and that's we can talk about the top sounds from Jamaica, America. A lot of our clashes have been we've been playing Addis, LP, Earth Ruler, World Supreme, Jaro, Mesalisti. You get where I come from, so you know what? I'm comfortable with that, because you don't get me wrong enough. We're going to dance with performance was not right. We can't bias. We know when we don't play good. Any fear stone man supposed to know when you don't play good.
Right.
So if we don't play good what we do, we just retool and we still have a chance. You have to understand in a wisdom. And you do the interview with them. You hear them because the dance them what we play now, and we have to keep them and we have set them up and all of this, whatever.
Yeah.
So you mean we set up a one dance and lose?
Yeah.
So just check this. Some of the best, one of the most legendary clash dance in our history is who everybody know, Portmore 95. Right? Addis Jaro. Who keep the dance? Addis. Based on this, Addis, Jamaica, Lenny, based on this, them keep the dance. So what's the problem when we keep the dance? So we are giving them some good dance and we still get criticized for that. So I don't understand why. You get where I come from.
Yeah, I understand.
Where we lose out on where not really help them. You understand what I mean? So we just do what we have to do and just go through.
Yeah. You know.
One second.
Yeah. All right. So for those who don't know around the world, we're talking to Double Six of the Super Fresh sound. He is the man who helped create this brand and this notorious sound here in Toronto, Canada. He's been doing it for over 30 years. Let's start from Toronto. Who was the original members of the sound when it first started?
Well, you know what? When it started first, was really everybody knows Double Six Shot, man.
Yeah.
I just say, no people think I'm a real blood because I just so will live. You understand? So it started. Shotman wasn't a man who really have nothing to do with the music. Him just mentally, him just loved it. So he used to play by himself.
Right. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because we used to play like a stone named Rough Rider. Then we moved from Rough Rider to that time I still buy my record. That's how it goes, you understand? Every time I play even a stone on my record I use.
Okay.
My back I play out. You understand? So I do it now.
Yeah.
Go to Black Supreme and then we branch from my own.
Okay.
And then me and Shotman a roll, so you know it go, we just buy based on this, the Glamour G started the dub cutting Super Fresh.
Oh, Glamour G started the dub cutting for Super Fresh.
I am teach me the game.
Okay.
Of course, studio, and I'm a first man can go studio and show me, different arrows, jammies, jarro, all over the place.
Yeah. Wow. Good history to know. Good history to know.
Based on this, like with Godfather,
Yes. So after that, now Glamour G brings you to the thing, and you start getting into the dub cutting. And my goodness, did you cut some dubs? You started cutting dub plates.
We just go wild,
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We're at that moment where we love it, and it's like there's nothing more important to it than just more dub. Yeah.
And then now you brought on one of the most prolific, dynamic vocal selectors on the sound. Tell us about that transformation and how he came about.
Well, what's the funny thing, Steenie, one time I Steenie, I'll go school,
Okay.
Yeah, man. So we know Steenie a long time. Steenie I play tempo.
Right.
And I build my own thing. After time I see tempo, I go we play a focus. And Steenie I go Montreal, and I me fill in for tempo focus.
Oh, okay.
And so if I someone know them say them play tempo too. So me I play as tempo if you rest of the night when Steenie can. You understand? Right?
Yeah.
Then after I know it good. To him this me and Steenie get close to where we are. Move with we because we are at the same school, me and him live close. So I pick him up and go to school and all them things there. We might come road with me and more time. So it just automatic that him hear these dubs start cut.
Yeah.
And tempo did kind of depend on slow down to one Steenie. Young youth, like myself though, him just decides to make the step with me.
Okay.
The history starts from there,
Yeah.
One of the best Canada ever. And we first got seen here at Jamaica.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, man. We go like Mirage nightclub go play, and we have danced with Jamrock. They were Jamaica. Steenie, yeah, man. We are Steenie, man. Up to today, we say what me. Steenie name retire with the sound, Steenie is I feel with that, you know. I name there for a fire kid, a fireistic him name now, you know. You know. I'm a boy that for life, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. See. So for years, he was on this sound. Man, did you guys have some historical clashes? I mean, I was at the one at Rabina, you know, with Addies.
May I miss that dance, you know, with.
You weren't there?
No, Steve play by himself.
Wow.
I get look at Jamaica with the double when I cut.
Oh.
Mr. Fly.
Oh my gosh.
Days when you email a plate me having on my hand.
Yeah. Wow. So
we have a little scrimmage the next night with Addy still. Same way the next night, you know.
That must have been I didn't hear about that one because I was there the night that one.
Come out the next day and we have a little scrimmage the Sunday night on a Whispers on a Western Road.
Whispers down a Western Road, yes, I know it very good. Ginger and them spot them on around there.
Addies always have a good vibe, man, because Addies was kind of one of the sound where was as much as Addies anywhere, Addies have an influence for we here. Because Addies New York is Addies 90s, Eglinton we say. So super fresh.
Yeah.
We want we want to be the it's like the Addies of Canada then, in a them days.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. Right. Man.
And where Addies good. Just it's not me show you we just see the dance them where we involved in them. We can't take up the phone and call on the phone one them and we not dispute a man price. We can't talk to a man and if it makes sense, if it even too much, me not tell you say it's too much. If me can't work with it at the moment, me just leave it alone. Move to something else. You understand? You never see we out there bashing nobody and them things. But look now, you hear them start spread rumor how much money we are charging and you hear the price all over the place. 6,000, 10,000, 8,000. Them say all kind of stuff. And to be truthful with, may I tell you this, big up the youth when you Dave from Comchak. That's all. Comchak is the only sound that Canada ever approached me. About a clash. To book me for a clash. Dave called me and said he want clash with you. And you can ask Dave. I tell Dave, say, sure. Dave, we all come to agreement with Dave. And even though I postpone it. We just never did come out and say all these things.
Like, so you don't have to tell us the price. That's your personal business, whatever you want to say. But do you feel somebody comes to Super Fresh for a clash? Do you feel that you've set a price that's fair and reasonable that anybody could accept it or don't accept it? That's basically what it is.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, no. If we can say this, then ask Polyphemus. Polyphemus can tell you. He will him talk it already. Poly can tell you that. Because Poly them book way. When Poly them on LP them call we tell them we price. Man them call we and talk to we and we simple reason and when we come to a price, the man them shoot with deposit. Before the dance, me have the rest of my money.
Business.
You see, we have sounds where we bring come here too. You're not issue with we and them when it comes to them something then. You not disclose how much you see true per year, you see Soul Supreme here. You know here we have discussed money. And we and the man them business. We do business with them and not do this business with the public. Most of I see them people let me know with. That's why you know really much. That's why like what you say, you ask them out one night when it's not about what mere people say is how it have a look. Like if you know do this it doesn't really hurt me, no matter me. I've been through too much story about the same 7 people we attack. Yeah, you understand? There's something in the trouble with, man. Me focus on something else we do. We live as a team, you know, with our not selected on the power zone where we know where we can't talk to.
Okay.
You understand? I saw it things that me now we think run different.
Okay.
If we have a portfolio we set to do things as a certain one.
Yeah. I it's just a corporation, you're the Super Fresh corporation you're building, and I get it. I understand.
But any stone way, if the promoter, I have to call it a promoter, because a promoter keep that. Just stone and be a promoter, and them have to do a business way I do.
Okay.
You can't tell you how to run your business. My days of home, me used to do it then. Because things that I used to do, me not go do it again with. I just do it go. And that's why some of the money have to understand. Then we used to post down, I just say you used to have a bad name in this. But I can't encourage that in this time. It's a different time, you know. So if I can say a man I go the wrong way, all I can do is tell him. If him no want to listen well, I saw it go.
Right, correct.
But our thing just set on a different part now. Wally fight sound them will play with the big sound them. I always like to keep my thing. Maybe I don't make it in it so long and without the trophy there.
Yeah.
I think
Is Super Fresh partial to war any sound, whether young, old, newcome? Does it matter to Super Fresh, or you have to be on a level?
As we said, business. When a man come with business, me not hear what. They have a thing called, do nothing for the sound, the young sound. Me not understand what they mean by do what me supposed to do. Like, if you can explain to me what me supposed to do for the young sound, where me not get what that mean. But them cost we for that. Me not get with that. Where you want? You want me to? So we keep that, so I guess we pay them to clash them. The funny thing is this, with Mr. Sound, them ask about price here already. And when me look and see, when them tell me them price, well, not for them say them a young sound. When them tell me them price, I realize that, but if him deserve that, then you mean to say me can't get not even $500 more than him. And that then cost me for. So that's for sure you say them never yet even approach me to talk about business. It's just a talk about them being fair eye behind money. It's business. What if I'm gonna approach and serious about what I do? I cannot do business and then let me go sell it to certain people and not. You understand what I say? But at the end of the day, respect is respect. You have to have that. You see, if you go in disrespect, me not play a sound in a way. Me not play a sound. Right. No more. But you see it. Sometimes me become the target of the disrespect.
Yeah.
When we are growing, you never hear. Soul to soul, where people look for like, enough man might not know, soul to soul used to be a class down too. Right? When I biggest dance where mash up a Canada, I have about 6 town, high tech, tempo, stir profit, soul to soul.
Torpedo.
Bully for torpedo, people, so much people get shot and all of that. That's why it's not. So they all were in the clash game.
Yeah.
Like, well, you never hear when we are come up in a full time, we are looking at disrespect for the road. He and I play the sound. We are disrespect. If I'm going to play bass this year, we start cut father kid to one of what him do. I know him a play something. So yeah, they never realize what they might do. Like, you understand? And when you have all people ask me, and I forget talk, and that people look and say, hey, I still don't want to take it. So I'm a big man, I'm not pitting between them little argument with people over. I just now have no conversation with them. I just leave it alone.
Right.
You follow them something they you get caught up in them time for that. Focus. Reds out there. Love me selector. We see talent in our youth and we give youth and make a step and do something. Big up Terry Famous song out at 12 same way. Big up Terry Famous.
Yeah.
Reds veteran for life. I saw it. Make them can't say what they want to say. Understand?
I understand. Yeah, when you look back, you know, Double Six, at this illustrious career that you've had, what moment do you sit back and think about the most? Was it a clash that you lost? Was it a clash that you won? Was it a thing? What comes up the most that, you know?
Well, here what, if you just look for a specific dance, like, here what, we have quite a few dances with Kilimanjaro, Ricky
Yeah.
Shoe, right? And one moment where more stand out to me is like, it's Banquet Hall of Scarborough, somewhere Midland, that place that you go and get, right? Anyway,
Yeah.
it was a dance with cool drinks, big up cool drinks. Father Price. Father Price. No, Kilimanjaro there for the weekend, no pay, like with woman Nancy and them, and while them there the Saturday night, Father Price was organized a clash for Wednesday. Wednesday. May I tell you that? So
Yeah.
Sunday night the man have a flyer, anywhere we have a flyer out, because Sunday night she dance Wednesday. Super Fresh Jaro. Believe you me, with it bigger than the dance with Nancy them and out of car. He get pushed down. He get pushed down before the dance start. People push through security them everything. In the full.
Yeah.
And drinks as you know, Father Price no dance now go on him have to dance, and man say if you're lucky half where we have to go on in with them out. So we just have to go on with the dance. But basically like free the dance go on. Nobody never pay.
Yeah.
But the dance they go on, and now like Chupa come in and Chupa kind of get half in game because he play before we had him a play. He might jump all over the place. Him not playing like Jaro, so he might pick out them have the song I may play. Them have this thing I play. He might kind of pick out some song where he know we have. So he kind of take away from Jaro flavor. So we catch our vibes now and dance one good. We look like that one here. Jaro we play with. Look like that one here. We can probably pull it off, you know. Yeah.
Hold on. Stop there. Stop there. We're going to restart the live. We're at the Jaro versus Super Fresh Wednesday night. Remember, we're going to restart the live. We're going to restart the